Production work in progress at the robot assembly company in USA. An error has occurred on the machine. Operator restarts machine, but error still occurs. Ms. Naomi, the machine operator, contacts Yamaha support dial for help.
Thank you for calling support dial. I am Philip.
Hi, I'm Naomi at Robot Assembly Company.
How may I help you?
An error keeps occurring when starting the machine, so we can't produce anything.
Okay, we understand the situation. You are a customer currently covered by our remote machine support. Please tell us the machine serial number to allow confirmation of your status from here.
The number is Y32536.
Thank you very much. We have confirmed the machine. May we now check the machine status and operate it by remote operation?
Yes, please.
Okay, now we are connecting. If the confirmation button appears on the screen, please press the allow button on the left side.
Yes, I pressed it.
Okay, we are now connecting. Now connection is completed. We will check the machine error history. It appears that mark detection error occurred. The PCB is still fixed inside the machine. We will try to recognize the mark. Okay, we have the clear view of the situation. Camera 2 is not showing anything. Camera 2 is probably defective. If we just switch over to camera 1, we can restart the production. Is it okay to change the setting?
Yes, please.
Okay, please press the machine reset button.
Yes, I did it.
Okay, the machine setting change was finished. Please press the start button.
Yes, I pressed it. Production has now restarted. There are no mark detection errors.
Okay, well then, we will cancel the remote connection. By the way, in the troubleshooting just now, we prioritized of restarting the production by turning off the defective camera. But this means that one disabled camera, mark detection will take long, so productivity will drop. Is the current condition acceptable?
I will check with my company's maintenance supervisor whether we need repair or not.
Okay, we will be waiting for your call. We are going to send an email to your maintenance supervisor.
Yes, thank you very much.
The details of the repair are summarized in a report. The report will be sent by the distributor by email. A file transfer function can directly send or receive files to eliminate any hassle for the customer. A chat function allows direct communications via troubleshooting history, etc. Remote connection means we can find and fix the cause of your problem even from a faraway remote location. The remote maintenance service from Yamaha provides vital support that ensures smooth production at the customer's worksite.